Hey guys, I wanted to go ahead and give you guys a shout out. You guys have been doing so awesome with the new learning that we've been doing online. I know it's really difficult. I know it's all very, very new. It's very new for me too. But you guys are doing some really, really good quality work. I'm really proud of how hard you guys are working. I did want you to know how you can see feedback from me on assignments. So after you have worked on an assignment in ClassKick, remember that you can go back and look at it. You just have to be sure you have your name typed in exactly the same way you had it typed before. That's why I tell you guys that you need to type in your first and last name, so that way anytime you type it in, you're able to go back in and access your assignment. So once you have typed it in, if you already know, like, hey, I've done this assignment, I'm all good to go. As soon as you work on it at all, even if you just open up the assignment, I can see that you've opened it because it shows me your name, shows me the assignment. So anytime that you work on it, I can see what you have done, and maybe if you haven't finished something, remember, you can come back to it later. Just sign in the exact same way with your first and last name. So once you're done with an assignment, I go through on my side of ClassKick and I'll type feedback for you guys. I'll tell you points that you get for assignments, things like that. So you can go back if you want to look at it. Just remember, click under the same link as where you had worked on it before. So if you're doing the vocabulary introduction, be sure you click for your class, your homeroom, okay, and then you'll type in your name again. It'll pull up the assignment. There's a comments bar that pops up along the side, and you can see if I've left you feedback, or you can look at points that I gave you or any suggestions that I had. Remember, we're trying to keep this light and easy. I'm not like giving you this crazy hard feedback or anything, but I just want to be able to give you guys something to hear from me too, on how you're doing. I've got some questions on there. Some of you guys are already learning how to work this technology better than me, which is great. But that's where you can get feedback from me on your assignments. If you have any questions, please feel free to let me know. I am on the computer most of the day now, which is very different, but I'll do my best to help however I can. Again, super proud of you guys. If you need anything, just let me know. Keep working hard, keep being awesome, but that's how you can hear feedback from me on your work. So I will catch you guys later. Y'all have a great day.